Hi, students. This week, we're going to do something different. We're going to send you a video with the story, and then we're going to send you the quiz. Every day is going to be a different subject. So on Monday, we're sending you science. So I'm going to read the story and follow along so that you can do the quiz at the end. Amazing adaptations. Do you have a favorite animal? Do you love furry dogs? Maybe you're fascinated by sharks with rows of sharp teeth. No matter which animal you would choose as your favorite, you can be guaranteed that it has amazing qualities or traits that help it survive. The traits that help animals survive in their environments are called adaptations. Each species' unique traits evolved to help it survive in a specific environment. For example, birds that swim a lot, such as geese and ducks, often have webbed feet. Even some dogs that were bred to be good in water have webbed feet. Webbed feet aren't only handy in a wet environment. However, moles also have webbed feet, but they use them for digging. So here you have a picture of, I'm guessing it's a bird, a geese, a goose. And here in the middle, this is what they're talking about, their webbed feet. It's connected, kind of like your hand. When you open it really wide, you have kind of like webbing. Webbed feet are a common example of an adaptation. However, some animals' traits seem quite uncommon to humans. Anglerfish live in the deepest parts of the ocean. They live in such deep places that the light of the sun doesn't reach them through water. So, how can a fish survive in complete darkness? Well, anglerfish have their own flashlights. The female anglerfish has a piece of her spine that sticks out over her head and it lights up. It looks like a big lantern hanging in front of her face. The light is produced by tiny bacteria. This light isn't just for seeing in the deep, dark ocean. Anglerfish actually use it to attract other fish. Smaller fish see the light and swim near. When the small fish gets close enough, the anglerfish can eat them. Another fish with a strange adaptation is the walking catfish. These fish live in Southeast Asia, in ponds, rice paddies, and swamps that sometimes dry up. When their homes dry up, the walking catfish can travel across land by wiggling their bodies and using their fins. As long as the catfish stay moist or wet, they can survive until they find a new pond or swamp to swim in. Humans have found ways to use animals' amazing adaptations. For example, fishermen who fish in cold water partner with Newfoundland dogs. Humans have thin skins and would freeze if they jumped into the cold waters of the Canadian coast. Newfoundland dogs have thick waterproof coats that help them in the warm, icy water. They also have webbed feet. These dogs jump into the water and pull heavy nets back into the fishermen. So think about your favorite animal And what makes it so special? Those special characteristics evolved to help that animal survive in its environment. Question number 1. Which sentence below is the best summary for this passage? What is this story all about? A. Animals have traits that help them survive in their environments. B. For many years, people have bred animals to have certain traits that can help their owners. C. Some animals have special traits that are very strange. D. Everyone has a special favorite animal. Number 2. Webbed feet are to ducks, as waterproof coats are to A. Geese, B. Moles, C. Anglerfish, D. Newfoundlands. Who has the waterproof coat? Go back and check and see which animal. Number 3. The word moist in this passage, paragraph 5, means A. Dry, B. Damp, C. Fishy, D. Walking. Go check paragraph 5. Read the sentence where it says moist. Number 4. When would the walking catfish need to walk on land? A. When a larger fish is chasing it. B. When it can't find any food. C. During a dry season. D. When the water is polluted. Number 5. The author probably wrote this passage to A. Persuade kids to study animals. B. Tell a story about interesting animals. C. Describe adaptations and how they help animals survive. D. Amaze people with facts about strange animals. Author's purpose. So, we're going to send you the link for the quiz. Go ahead and submit your answers, and that's how we will get your grade. Tomorrow, we'll do social studies. Bye.